Hey Timeless Beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be back. It feels so good. Today I am going to be showing you all a tutorial on a classic facial and I am so excited. I will be using all BioElements products today. This is not a first-time client of mine, so I'm already aware of her skin type and the type of products that I should be using for her today. My client has combination skin with slight sensitivity, so today I'm going to be using some products to cater to that. But first, we're going to get her started with a nice warm towel. And don't forget to always do a temperature check on your wrist or your inner forearm, just to make sure that that towel is not too hot for the client's face. You never want to burn a client's face. Alright, so I'm going to start off with a flash foaming enzyme cleanser that washes away makeup, dirt, and impurities. It contains natural pumpkin, papaya, and pineapple enzymes to gently exfoliate dulling surface flakes, leaving the skin soft, smooth, and refreshed. This is one of my favorite cleansers that I use as a go-to during my facials. I love that I can use it for oily combination and dry skin. It also smells really good, like a tropical treat, and it feels like a relaxing bubble bath for your face. If you are enjoying my content and find it helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on social media to keep up with more content. These are silicone scrubbers that exfoliate the skin, so I like to use these when I am cleansing the skin. It's just an extra touch that helps remove the dead skin cells. And now I'm just gonna take my sponges and make sure all of that product is off of her face. For my second cleanse, I'm going to use a sensitive skin cleansing oil. I love this cleanser because it's a 2-in-1. It also works as a makeup remover and it's very gentle. It feels really soft, like a cozy blanket for your skin. This oil cleanses away makeup, dirt, and irritating skin impurities. It has a unique blend of plant and olive oils that repair weakened skin barriers, reduces inflammation, and fights free radicals, leaving delicate skin clean, soft, and soothed. It also includes barrier strengthening, fatty acid, rich hemp seed oil, and vitamin E. Whenever I use either of these cleansers, I feel like I always almost instantly see the skin brighten. Now that I am done cleansing the skin, I'm just going to take my sponges and remove all of the product, and I am going to continue with an exfoliation mask. This mask contains an enzyme exfoliation powder for all skin types, including sensitive, when you want a mild to moderate action. So in order to make this mask, you have to use the enzyme exfoliation powder. You also have to use the softening gel, and you also have to use soothing powder if you are dealing with a client that has sensitive skin or a first-time client, just to be on the safe side. This enzyme exfoliator also promotes a protein digesting action to gently and evenly remove the uppermost cell layers of the stratum corneum, brighten overall pigmented spots, and facilitate easy penetration of active serums into the skin. This mask can also be used on the lips as a lip treatment. This also helps contribute to moisture absorption for the lips. I absolutely love that I can use this exfoliation treatment for under the eyes as well. It's pretty much just an all-around great mask to use. This is a great mask for new clients with sensitive skin, or those with contraindications to more powerful peels. So normally after the exfoliation mask, I would do extractions, but I was not able to upload that portion with this video. So I am moving on to the facial massage portion. For this facial, I am using grapeseed oil. This is an organic oil, so this is for sensitive skin types. It's very good for all skin types, but in particular sensitive skin types. So I am just using that with a combination of shea butter, and I am giving her a very nice facial massage. You're going to be seeing me using very basic massage movements. This is one of my very first facials I've done in a long time. I had taken a hiatus, but I thought that this was the perfect opportunity to show you guys a classic facial and also some basic massage movements that you can start off with. If you find my content helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, as well as follow me on Instagram and TikTok to keep up with additional helpful content. For the next portion of my massage, I will be using my gua sha rollers. I love these because they promote blood circulation, they improve fine lines and wrinkles, promotes lymphatic drainage, relieves tension from the muscles, reduces puffiness, and also helps with fighting acne scars. These massage vibrating rollers also help add an extra touch of relaxation for the clients, and it also gives a more luxury spa experience. I love that this massager comes with 2 attachment heads. It comes with a facial roller, which is what you just saw me using, and then it also comes with an under eye press, which is what I'm using now. So although it's for under the eyes, I do use it all over the face, but it really helps get rid of the dark circles and puffiness under the eyes as well. And don't mind my silly client, I didn't even know she did that during the facial. But yeah, most of the clients that you'll see, they'll definitely be laughing the whole time. We love to have fun during the facial. But if you want to fall asleep, I don't mind that as well. For my mask, I will be using the Ultra Rich Cream Therapy Mask. My client's skin was a bit dehydrated, so this is a perfect go-to mask for that. It's a 10-minute mask, and it's packed with natural sesame and essential oils. This is also a great mask to use for fine lines and wrinkles. It helps dry skin become soft, comfortable, and completely moisturized, smoothing out surface lines and improving rough texture in the skin. To give my client further relaxation during her mask portion, I'm going to apply my Soothing Cucumber eye pads. These help with tired eyes, reduce puffiness and dark circles, and it also hydrates the skin around the eyes. Now, if your client hasn't fallen asleep by this part, I don't know what to tell you. The cucumber pads definitely help give the client extra relaxation every time. As you see, I am done with her mask, so I'm just applying that warm towel to get all of that product off of her face, and then I will move on to apply my finishing products. All right, you all, so we made it to the final portion of the facial. The first thing I'm going to apply is my Soothing Reset Mist Toner for sensitive skin. It leaves the skin nourished, hydrated, and protected with therapeutic aloe vera and chamomile, plus deeply moisturizing and barrier strengthening Chinese medicinal silver ear mushroom to comfort, reduce visible redness, and calm reactive skin. Next, I'm going to apply my time-sensitive retinol-free multi-benefit serum. This is a great serum for delicate skin. It's created for all skin types but works especially for sensitive, and it helps decrease the intensity of transitory or persistent redness. Now I'm going to go in with Absolute Moisture. It is a lightweight facial moisturizer for combination skin. I love this moisturizer because it has self-adjusting hydrators that balance water to oil levels, so every area of the skin gets the exact amount of hydration that it needs. It's also formulated with moisture-binding humectants, plus avocado, almond, and jojoba oils that absorb quickly, leaving no oily feel or shine to the skin. Last but not least, I will be using my SPF by BioElements. This SPF offers broad spectrum UVA and UVB sun protection. This is an advanced SPF that strengthens the skin, and it's also light enough to wear under makeup as a daily moisturizer. What I love the most about this sunscreen is that it does not leave a white cast on the skin. I don't know what I was trying to do with my left-handed self, trying to do a cool rock star sign. I was just so happy at how her skin turned out. Also, if you would like more facial content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Last but not least, I sprayed some toner and I applied her lip hydrator, and she's out the door. And I will be uploading an additional facial video on Sunday, so please stay tuned, and thank you, Timeless Beauty. See you next time.